What's up guys, this is Greg from Mastersons Car Care. Now winter is coming up, and if you want to take your car to the next level of protection during winter, you need to step it up and pick up our Masterson ceramic spray sealant. Now we put this in development for over 18 months, and this takes ceramic technology and combines it into easy to use spray sealant technology. This really does take detailing to the next level, and if you're looking for easy protection during winter, I recommend to pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. This is easy on, easy off, and it truly does smell amazing. Plus is going to give you a full 6 months of protection. So if you put this on your car, it's going to protect your car through winter and make sure you have an awesome ride when spring comes. Now remember, you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, because we're taking ceramic technology to the next level. So hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, and pick this up today, because this is going to give you the ultimate shine, the slickest feel, and the most durable protection in the easiest to use ceramic spray sealant that you ever used. So remember, go to our website, mastersonswax.com, pick this up today, spray it on, get the best shine, and make sure your ride looks great for winter. Now this is Greg from Mastersons Car Care. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.